Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to see the edit history of your spreadsheet on the Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet and follow these steps. There is two ways to see your edit history. The first one is to click on this notification, and as you can see it will open the version history. If we click on it, we will find or we will see all the modifications that or all the edits that you have done in the spreadsheets or the sheets. There is another method to see the edit history is by going to the file ribbon here. You will find it here, and as you can see it will pop up this little window, and we want to go to the fourth section and we will find version history. Well, you can name the version, or you can just go to the see version history so you can see the edit history. Now it will pop up the window of edit history. So those are all the edits as we see previously. So whenever I go to some editing, it will take me directly to that edit or modification. Also, you can name the history, for example, uh, uh, history number 1. And now in the filters, I can just see the named history or the named versions. So I will just see the history 1 because I have just named it. So this is how you can see your edit history or edit version history. Thank you for watching and goodbye.